Hi you guys, welcome back. Thanks so much for being here. Today's video is a must watch. This is going to be all about things you need in case of an emergency. You never know when an emergency may hit or happen. So you guys, in this video today, I'm going to share with you guys some things you can put in your emergency care kit so that you can just grab your emergency care kit and get to safety. If you're new here, my name is Angel. Make sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button. I share everything home, mom life, and organization. Be sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up as well. Let's just jump right into these things. So emergencies are happening. They do happen. You never know what will happen, okay? One day it may be a tornado or hurricane. The next day it may be somebody hitting your transformer. Flooding has been happening lately. Fires have been happening. Just so much. And you just never know. So this video, I'm going to share with you guys some things that I think will be helpful in case you have an emergency. So it's kind of like an emergency care kit, I guess you could say. So maybe you'll find something useful or helpful. And if you want any of these items, be sure to check the description box below. Everything will be linked. Now, this is not to say this is like everything, because there are so many things out there. These are just some things that could come in handy. So let's go ahead and get started. The first item is always a handy dandy radio, you guys. So this guy right here is a small radio. It's not bulky, it's not big, it's very lightweight. The cool thing about this one, you can charge it in a number of ways. It does have a little solar box here, so it can be powered by the sun, which is absolutely amazing, because if your power goes out, you can't watch the TV to check the weather, you know, to see what's going on. You still want to make sure to be able to get some type of communication coming in to see how's the weather doing or what's happening around, whatever. So the cool thing, this one can be solar powered. You can also put batteries in here as well, and you can also power it by USB also too. So a number of ways to power this bad boy. You're not limited to just one way. Super handy. I definitely recommend this, and I say that it's essential. So it also has a flashlight on here and a little crank here too. So really cool little gadget. Definitely recommend this. Now let's talk about some things for power. This guy right here is definitely one of my favorites. This is like a portable power station, pretty much. You can use to power a lot of things. It has 3 AC outlets that are 600 watts each, so it's compatible with up to about 80% of home appliances, which is really cool. It also comes with a couple USB ports and USB-C port as well. It also has a place for a car charger right here. You can also charge this in a number of ways. You can plug it into the wall. You can also charge it by solar too, which I'm going to show you guys some solar panels in just a second, but you can charge this in a number of ways. So it recharges from 0 to 80% within an hour, so it's a quick charge. So as soon as you get it, I say go ahead and plug it in, let it get a full charge, and you're ready to go. And also with this, you can power up to about 10 devices simultaneously, which is amazing. So if everybody have laptops and, you know, phones and stuff they want to plug in, TVs, you can plug it in and be good to go. So it's very versatile. So if you have power, go ahead and plug it in, have it charged, ready to go. If you don't, you can do solar. We have used this already. I definitely recommend this bad boy. So if you want a cup of coffee, you can plug up your coffee machine, make your cup of coffee. If you want to plug up your, you know, portable cooktop, you can do that, cook you some food. A blender, so you can hook up a TV to it as well. Super handy. Definitely something that is a must have, okay? If you don't get anything else, get you that and the radio for sure. All right, so speaking of power, here is something else that I definitely recommend. These are solar panels. This is super thin. Look at this. So this is really cool because you can carry these wherever and they don't take up a lot of space, but this guy is super powerful. To start, before I open it up, this guy has a little pouch right here for all of the cables and where you can plug things in at right here. I love that it's compact and it's actually made of high quality, so you don't have to actually like worry about damaging it unless you step on it. Don't step on it, okay? But let me open this up to show you how it looks. So this guy is really large. I can't even like fully open it up on camera, but it's really large. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 panels. It's 120 watts. It's also waterproof and durable, which is awesome. You can plug up phones, tablets directly to it. It does have USB ports. Now, if you want to get creative and use this to charge more things, you can get these handy dandy cords, which helps you hook this up to more devices. So in essence, this guy could charge our power station that we just talked about. So you can get the cords to convert power to more devices as well. So definitely recommend that. But yeah, this guy is super handy, and we will hopefully always have the sun for a long time to come. So solar panels is something you should just have handy in case we don't have power, in case you don't have power for days. You guys, we were out of power for 2 days when somebody hit our transformer. So you just never know how many days you'll be without power. We know people who has been out of power for a whole week from just a random electrical outage. So you just never know. So have you some solar panels and, you know, ready so that you can get some solar power coming into your home for whatever things you need, like, you know, your cell phones. We all love our cell phones. You can watch your TVs and any of that too, as well as play your video games. Just have you some solar panels ready to get you some power in your home in some type of form or fashion. Speaking of power, here are 2 more really small gadgets that are also helpful. Now these are more for your phones. This is a solar power device. So again, you can charge through the sun, and this guy also has a flashlight built into it as well. In addition, it has a compass on the back, which is really cool. So yeah, it moves with you. So in case you're outside or anywhere, also great for camping, you guys, for my campers and outdoors people. This is just very handy to have. You have your USB ports on here. It has 2 USB and another small USB for phones. So you can literally charge your phone just by having this sit in sunlight. So really cool device, also handy. This one is another little power station as well. This one has the plug, so you don't have to have any external plugs. This one already has the cords on it, which is awesome. It has one for your Apples and your iPhones. It has one for your Samsungs or any other type of device that uses your USB ports. It has both of those already connected to it. So you can have this charged and put in your emergency care kit. So in case you have an emergency, you need phones charged, because we know everybody in your house has phones. So you can never have enough phone charging devices, okay, in case of emergencies. This charges in about 6 hours. So once you plug it up, let it charge. It can charge your phones about 2 times depending on your phone, also your tablet. The solar one is also waterproof, so you can be outside with it and water won't damage. You don't have to worry about the rain. So cool devices to have for charging your phones. Let's talk about some things for lighting, because of course when the power goes out, it goes dark, right? You need some lights around your home. So here are some options to have. These are portable battery operated lanterns. The cool thing about this is that you just pull it up and you have your little lights. So these are actually really bright. If I were to turn the lights out, they are nice and bright, and you can control the brightness just by pushing this up and down. Also, they're battery operated, so if you have some batteries, keep these handy. They're very lightweight, and it has these handles so you can easily tote these around your home. They come in a pack, so you get a lot of them. So definitely put these in your little care kit, so in case you need to put lights around your home, have some in rooms, or carry some with you, these would be handy to have. You also need flashlights, okay? So here are some really cool flashlights that do not take up a lot of space, okay? So first we have these little guys, really tiny, right? Super small, lightweight. It comes in a pack of 5 of these, and these do require battery. They're really cute though, because they also have a clip. You can stick these in every room of your home, so no matter where you go, or you can put these also in your car. They're really small, so they don't take up a lot of space, which I really like about it, but they are very bright. So this is it. Also has this one, the flashing light too, so really a handy device to have. And again, pack of 5s is handy. Stick them in your cars, also stick around your home, so in case the lights go out, you got a quick flashlight, you can see and get to things. In addition, if you want a rechargeable one, you can get this one. This one is a rechargeable flashlight. Again, it is small, lightweight, has a clip on it, so you can clip it on your pants or whatever. This one's rechargeable, so you don't have to worry so much about batteries. With this one, you just plug in the USB. So again, if you have any of those gadgets that uses solar power that I mentioned, any of those, you can plug it right in here to charge this flashlight as well. So you can have this handy whenever you need it to go around your home or wherever outside. Now the cool thing about this one, it has different settings for your flashlight. It has low, high, you can set the brightness. It also has flashing, as you just saw me go through the different settings. So it has lots of settings, so depending on what you need, this one is super handy to have. Now let's talk about a handy dandy first aid kit. Yes, emergencies happen. This is a space saver. As you can see, it's nice and compact. It's small, does not take up a lot of space, and it's kind of your all-in-one to have in case of emergencies. It has things to clean, treat, and protect, and tools in here. So alcohol wipes, ointment packages, bandages, gauze pads, your applicators. It just has so many different things in here. I'll open it so you guys can also see. This one has, it's 100 pieces in here. This is how it looks. Very nice and compact things in here. Q-tips, tapes, gloves. It has so much in here, you guys. So definitely having a all-purpose first aid kit in your home, in your cars, I would suggest grabbing this for each of your cars. Again, it does not take a lot of space. Put it in your house, of course, in your emergency care kit. Just having a couple of these just in case, wherever you are, you have something that's there ready to go if somebody has an injury. Now let's move on to food and water. Yes, you should definitely have food and water just in case, you guys. We have all went through things. Like one story we had was our ice storm in Atlanta, the snow apocalypse. You know, we were stuck in our homes for a week because we weren't prepared to handle ice, so we couldn't leave anywhere, so we had to eat on whatever we had in the house. So have some food and water handy. I always definitely recommend having you some gallons of water. We always have gallons of water just tucked away that we don't touch. Now here's some more additional items for water in case you want to have these too. One are these drinking water pouches. These don't take up a lot of space. You get a whole big box of these. It comes with 64 pouches. So in case you have like dry food, which I have a emergency pack of dry food, which is awesome to have, and you need water and you may not have like jugs of water or whatever, these can come in handy. The pouches of water, these pouches, recommended life shelf is about 5 years, so something you can just tear this off and drink the water from the pouch. So you can have you a box of these water pouches handy as well. In addition, here's another option for water. These are water filters. So this one is another option you can have depending on your situation. This is a personal water filter. This also has a 4-stage filtration system. You can use it in mud water, lake water, well water, and stream water. So very versatile. You can literally put this in a stream of water and drink out of it like a straw. This filters the water that you're drinking from. So if you are in a stream and you need some water, this can be a go-to. You can just stick this in the stream and you can literally just drink from the stream. And what this does, again, it filters the water to give you clean water. Or if you're camping, hiking, any of that, also great to have handy to get you some water in your system that is filtered and clean to drink. And this comes with a 2-pack. So yeah, cool little guy. All right, now let's talk about some food, okay? These are cases of dry food. So like for this one in particular, this one is a 30-day supply of food. It is very heavy, you guys. It is very heavy, let me say that. But this is 30 days. This is a deluxe food supply kit. This one's for 1 person, but you can get the 4-person as well, the 2-person. There are a variety of different ones you can have. I will link a couple similar ones down below. This one has 200 servings of food. It gives you 30 grams of protein per day, 1,200 calories per day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner meals included. The only thing you have to do for these is add water. That's it. So you get a variety of things, options like pancakes and pastas and rice. There's so many different options of the food and the meals. A lot of them do have soups. They have desserts as well. This one in particular does have Alfredo. It has broccoli rice, Spanish rice, creamy potato soup, chicken, vegetable soup, banana chips. It has quite a different things in here. This also has up to a 30-year shelf life. Amazing, awesome. Get you a case of these and have definitely something that you never know when you may need to break it open and take it out the box. Okay, here's another freeze-dried can item. These are freeze-dried strawberries. You know, you can get so many different things freeze-dried. Again, this can in particular you can get from Amazon. This will last you a long time. The shelf life for this is up to 30 years. It's 18 servings worth in here. You can do so many different things with freeze-dried fruits. You can make smoothies with them. You can make jam with them. Use it for salad toppings, or you can just eat them. Now, I love freeze-dried fruit myself. Just soak it in water and rehydrate them. Awesome to have. You can just, again, tuck this, stick it away in a box or cabinet somewhere and just have in case you need it. Okay, now household generic items, definitely paper towel and some trash bags. I definitely recommend having these in case of emergencies. You never know what you need. You can use trash bags for so many different things, you guys. Covering up like broken windows for water. I mean, again, trash. It's just so many different things. But having you some paper towels and trash bags handy for emergencies is awesome. Now, what you can do for your emergency care kit is grab you like a big old Tupperware like this and just stick everything in here so that you can tuck it away, put it in a closet or pantry, wherever you want to put it, and just everything is there. So you don't have to go searching and finding, I know about this, I know about that, where is it? Have your emergency care kit in a big old Tupperware and label it for emergencies and don't touch it. So that way it's always there and you have it. Food, your water, some paper towel, your trash bags, everything we talked about today. You can just stick everything in here so you have your place to go. So there's your little organization hack and tip for you. There you go, guys. Those are some items that could be very helpful in times of emergencies, in times of disasters. Oh, you never know what you may need, when you may need it. And for instance, with all the things that's going on now, that will be a time, if you know a storm is coming, get your emergency care kit, put in your car, or go upstairs, take it upstairs with you. Wherever you're gonna go, take your emergency care kit with you so you have it handy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I definitely appreciate it. Again, I'll link everything as much as possible below in the description box. If you guys have questions, comments, or you just wanna say hi, which I love to say hi to you guys, drop me a comment and let me know. If you wanna see some more of my videos, I'll leave them here on screen. And so I'll see you guys in another video.